Today, I'm solving the New York Times crossword, and I'll take you through my thought process step by step. Let's dive right in. Always like to start with the shorter clues and build momentum. Let's begin with one across. Went by quickly. That could be flew. Let's put that in. Now that we have a starting point, let's tackle the crossing clues. Here's one down. Partner of loose. That's probably fast. With these confirmed, we can move forward. NYT across. Clues went by quickly. FLEW. New? WHO, what to do if you've heard this before. STOPME, energy of a sort. AURA, possessed. HAD, Illinois City, whose name serves as shorthand for mainstream taste. PEORIA, look for trouble. STINKEYE, Parthenon's place. ATHENS, offers as a resignation. Tenders, good for nothing. Freebie, espy. C, mass transit vehicle. Bus stock market index, in brief. Dow, Nova, error. PBS, put a name to. Labeled. Oh, I see it now. Hey, West Coast gas brand. Arco gig makeup. Megs went wrong. Aired. With 40 across open for business? Dear Sir, see 38 across. Or Madam One who parties hearty. Raver, performer who thinks inside the box. Mime, brand of cooler. Yeti, scrape, buy. Iki, scholar, student. Spring forward. Result, Aber DST. Show where the term Debbie Downer originated in brief. SNL media clutter. ADS. Winter coat, fur, fit for a king. Regalia triangular pastries. Samosas fashion photographer Richard. Avedon, run for the hills, ski slope, popular wine from Bordeaux. Merlot. C63 down, her leave behind. Lose, spots for Hawaii and Alaska, often. Insets, source of Roquefort cheese. Ebier stanch. Stem.NYT, vertical clues partner of loose, fast instrument depicted in Caravaggio's The Musicians. Lute, sportscaster Andrews. Erin, suit in a tarot deck. Wands, question from someone who's lost. Where am I? Does some bailing. Hayes, Shelley's D-Dock to the west wind. Ode, not densely packed, sparse. Teta expressed some abject admiration. Head got. On first? Pre-boarded. Kellogg's cereal with a frosted variety. Mini wheats, move gently. Ease, boat bottom. Keel, overly abundant. Folsom, plead. Beg, San Diego Pro. Padre. Digs out of a hole, maybe. Breaks, even. Hyenas and raccoons, for two. Scavengers. Vertex of an infamous triangle. Bermuda, alternative to Repinotes or Ind, dem allow, admit, mine find, or beam from a sci-fi shooter. Ray, many sat takers, Abar, SRS, where you might dress up for a court appearance informally. Ren Fair, checks the age of. IDS, spoils, taints, antacid brand. Tiums, mess kitchen implement. Ladle, Parker House products. Rolls, Mr. Robot actor, Malik. Rami, spoils. Loot, twist, as data. Skew, flu symptom. Suit, church recess. Apps, appear, seem, with. 65 across, common pronoun pair, she. We're almost there. The last few clues can be tricky, but with what we have filled in, they're much easier to solve. I hope you enjoyed solving with me. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more crossword solving fun. Let me know in the comments if you solved today's puzzle and which clue was your favorite.